Beautiful, rustic mountain cabin in the woods. You will love the open floor plan with soaring stacked stone fireplace, gas logs, unvented, large dining area, and kitchen west/granite counters, center island, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cabinets/storage. One master bedroom and bath on main. Upstairs a second master bedroom and bath in large loft, terrace level, 2 additional BRs, bath, and bonus room, theater room, craft room, etc. Upgraded fixtures, zoned HVAC, oversized carport, new generator, large screen porch on back, termite stations, septic cleaned, 2018, exterior painted, 2020, porches and railings just painted, September 2020.